Which planet is known as the red planet? A. Mercury. B. Mars. C. Venus. D. Saturn. Answer: B. Mars. Mars is called the red planet due to the presence of iron oxide, rust, on its surface, giving it a reddish appearance. Which is the largest planet in the solar system? A. Earth. B. Saturn. C. Jupiter. D. Neptune. Answer: C. Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system with a mass approximately 318 times that of Earth. Which planet is closest to the Sun? A. Venus. B. Earth. C. Mercury. D. Mars. Answer: C. Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun, orbiting at an average distance of about 58 million kilometers. Which planet has the most extensive ring system? A. Uranus. B. Saturn. C. Neptune. D. Jupiter. Answer: B. Saturn. Saturn is known for its prominent ring system, made of ice, dust, and rock particles. Which planet has the highest surface temperature? A. Venus. B. Mercury. C. Mars. D. Jupiter. Answer: A. Venus. Despite being farther from the Sun than Mercury, Venus has a thick atmosphere that traps heat, making it the hottest planet. What is the main component of the Sun? A. Oxygen. B. Helium. C. Hydrogen. D. Carbon. Answer: C. Hydrogen. The Sun is composed primarily of hydrogen, which undergoes nuclear fusion to produce energy. Which planet is known as Earth's twin? A. Mars. B. Venus. C. Mercury. D. Neptune. Answer: B. Venus. Venus is called Earth's twin because of its similar size, mass, and proximity to Earth. Which planet rotates on its side? A. Jupiter. B. Uranus. C. Saturn. D. Neptune. Answer: B. Uranus. Uranus has a unique tilt of about 98 degrees, causing it to rotate on its side. What is the smallest planet in the solar system? A. Mercury. B. Mars. C. Venus. D. Pluto. Answer: A. Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet, with a diameter of about 4,880 kilometers. Which planet has the Great Red Spot? A. Saturn. B. Neptune. C. Mars. D. Jupiter. Answer: D. Jupiter. The Great Red Spot is a massive storm on Jupiter that has been ongoing for centuries. Which planet is farthest from the Sun? A. Uranus. B. Neptune. C. Saturn. D. Pluto. Answer: B. Neptune. Neptune is the eighth and farthest known planet from the Sun in the solar system. Which celestial body is the largest dwarf planet? A. Eris. B. Pluto. C. Hauma. D. Ceres. Answer: B. Pluto. Pluto, though reclassified as a dwarf planet, remains the largest known dwarf planet in the solar system. Which planet has the shortest day? A. Earth. B. Mars. C. Jupiter. D. Saturn. Answer: C. Jupiter. Jupiter has the shortest day, with one rotation on its axis taking only about 10 hours. What is the main reason for Pluto's demotion to a dwarf planet? A. Too small in size. B. Irregular orbit. C. Does not clear its orbital path. D. Lacks atmosphere. Answer: C. Does not clear its orbital path. Pluto was reclassified because it does not clear the neighborhood around its orbit of other debris. Which planet is known for its blue color due to methane in its atmosphere? A. Uranus. B. Neptune. C. Earth. D. Venus. Answer: B. Neptune. Methane in Neptune's atmosphere absorbs red light and reflects blue light, giving the planet its blue appearance. What is the average distance from the Earth to the Sun? A. 100 million kilometers. B. 93 million kilometers. C. 150 million kilometers. D. 200 million kilometers. Answer: C. 150 million kilometers. The Earth is about 150 million kilometers away from the Sun, a distance referred to as 1 astronomical unit O. Which planet takes the longest time to orbit the Sun? A. Neptune. B. Uranus. C. Saturn. D. Jupiter. Answer: A. Neptune. Neptune takes approximately 165 Earth years to complete one orbit around the Sun. Which is the brightest planet in the night sky? A. Mars. B. Venus. C. Jupiter. D. Saturn. Answer: B. Venus. Venus is the brightest planet in the night sky due to its highly reflective clouds. How many planets in the solar system are classified as gas giants? A. 2. B. 3. C. 4. D. 5. Answer: C. 4. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are classified as gas giants due to their large gaseous atmospheres. What is the shape of the orbits of planets around the Sun? A. Circular. B. Elliptical. C. Parabolic. D. Rectangular. Answer: B. Elliptical. The orbits of planets are elliptical, with the Sun located at one of the foci. Which of the following planets has the most extreme seasons? A. Mercury. B. Uranus. C. Neptune. D. Mars. Answer: B. Uranus. Uranus has extreme seasons due to its axial tilt of about 98 degrees. What is the most common type of star in the universe? A. Red dwarf. B. White dwarf. C. Yellow dwarf. D. Blue giant. Answer: A. Red dwarf. Red dwarfs are the most common type of star in the universe due to their low mass and long lifespans. What is the name of our galaxy? A. Andromeda. B. Milky Way. C. Whirlpool. D. Black Eye. Answer: B. Milky Way. The Milky Way is the galaxy that contains our solar system. Which planet has a day longer than its year? A. Venus. B. Mercury. C. Mars. D. Neptune. Answer: A. Venus. Venus rotates so slowly that one day, rotation, on Venus is longer than 1 year, orbit around the Sun. Which celestial body is referred to as Earth's natural satellite? A. Phobos. B. Europa. C. The Moon. D. Titan. Answer: C. The Moon. The Moon is Earth's only natural satellite, orbiting the planet at an average distance of 384,400 kilometers. What is the asteroid belt primarily composed of? A. Ice. B. Dust. C. Metal and rock. D. Gas. Answer: C. Metal and rock. The asteroid belt is mainly made up of rocky and metallic objects, located between Mars and Jupiter. Which planet's atmosphere consists primarily of nitrogen and oxygen? A. Venus. B. Earth. C. Mars. D. Neptune. Answer: B. Earth. Earth's atmosphere is about 78% nitrogen and 21% oxygen, which supports life.